Our next video is a fennel salad, and again we will use just a few ingredients. We will use a beautiful fennel, half of onion and half of a cucumber. I also add some green leaves to my salad. And I'm starting with my onion, just very thinly. And I continue with my fennel. I will add a little bit salt to massage my onion. And at this point I will add my fennel. Again, a little bit salt and continue massaging. Cayenne pepper, chia seeds, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and juice of half lemon, olive oil. Okay, and I will leave it a little bit to marinate. And now I can add some cucumber. At this point our salad ready. We can eat it like this, but I like to also add some green leaves. I will add a little bit balsamico. Let's work it in, and our salad is ready. Let's plate it. I will add some broccoli sprouts and a little bit of olive oil. Let's try it. Very tasty. See you in the next video.